Hi, my name is Adenta and welcome to a day in the life of going to the... No, my name is Adenta and come to a batik making field trip with us. So we just came to the building. They have the side part of where they make all the batik, and these are all the stamps that they've previously made before. I think I like this one and that one, just because I like the pattern, and yeah, it's a pretty nice place and very breezy. Okay, so now we have chosen our stamps that we made earlier before that we came here. And we choose the fabric that we want to use, and we choose the 2 colors or any colors that you want to do, and we will then put the stamp in the wax and we will stamp them. So now we're gonna go do that. Pretty good. I think I'm getting the hang of it. I think it's okay. Yay! We're done! Oh, okay. Now we are going to put our fabric into the dye. I've chosen pink. Yeah, so we have to wear gloves, apron, and then I think we'll have to put a mask on. Hot, but it feels nice once you like wash your hands off with the cold water.
Yeah.
I'm all wet. Yes, that's the final product. I think, well, yeah, they have to take the wax off. Okay, they have to take the wax off and then it'll be the final product. Yeah. So I think we're gonna start freehand, like sewing and cutting. I think with just white fabric, we're gonna make a purse and a tie. Wow. Okay, so now they're all drying, or at least most of them, because some people are still doing some. But, yeah, so they're letting them dry right now. That one's mine. Wow. So that's right now the end of our trip. Tomorrow they're gonna go pick up the batik that we made, and yeah, it was a very nice experience. This place is very nice, like visually, and like the experience is really fun. All the members here were really nice, and they were all willing to help you. And yeah, I think I might make an apron, or like a bag. Bye, thank you.